Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about creating wooden home organization solutions by showing you a collection of different wooden craft project ideas items. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wooden home organization solutions is a rewarding endeavor that combines functionality, aesthetics, and craftsmanship. As people increasingly seek to declutter their living spaces and create more organized environments, wooden storage solutions offer a timeless and elegant way to achieve this goal. Wood, as a material, brings warmth and texture to any room, making it not only practical but also visually appealing. In exploring the various ideas and techniques for wooden home organization solutions, one discovers a diverse range of possibilities that cater to different needs, styles, and preferences. At the heart of effective home organization is understanding the specific needs of a space and the items that require storage. The first step in creating wooden organization solutions is assessing what needs to be stored, how often those items are used, and the best way to access them. For example, in a kitchen, frequently used items such as utensils, pots, and pantry staples should be easily accessible, while less frequently used items can be stored in less accessible locations. This principle of accessibility is crucial when designing wooden solutions, as it influences the layout and functionality of each piece. One of the most popular wooden organization solutions is the kitchen cabinet or pantry organizer. Wooden shelves can be customized to fit the dimensions of cabinets or pantry spaces, providing a tailored solution that maximizes storage capacity. Adjustable shelving is particularly effective, as it allows homeowners to modify the height of each shelf based on the size of the items being stored. For instance, taller jars or bottles can be accommodated on higher shelves, while smaller items can be placed on lower ones. Additionally, incorporating pull-out drawers within cabinets can enhance accessibility, allowing users to easily reach items without having to dig through clutter. Crafting these organizers from high-quality hardwoods not only ensures durability but also adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen. In the realm of living spaces, wooden shelves and bookcases can serve as both decorative and organizational elements. Floating shelves, mounted on walls, provide an opportunity to display books, plants, or decorative items while also keeping surfaces clear. These shelves can be crafted in various sizes and finishes, allowing homeowners to customize them to their specific aesthetic preferences. For instance, a rustic farmhouse style can be achieved with reclaimed wood, while a sleek, modern look can be accomplished with smooth, polished hardwoods. The versatility of wooden shelves makes them a popular choice for personalizing home organization. In addition to shelves, wooden storage bins and boxes can be integrated into organizational systems across various rooms. These containers can be used to store anything from toys in a child's playroom to crafting supplies in a hobby area. By using wooden boxes, homeowners can maintain a cohesive design aesthetic throughout their living spaces. Bins can also be personalized with labels, helping everyone in the household easily identify the contents. Techniques such as stenciling or wood burning can be employed to add names or images to the boxes, making them not only functional but also decorative. For those with limited space, multifunctional wooden furniture can be an effective solution. Pieces that serve dual purposes, such as ottomans with hidden storage or benches with compartments, maximize utility while minimizing clutter. These designs are particularly useful in small apartments or homes, where every square foot counts. Crafting such furniture requires careful planning to ensure that the storage compartments are adequately sized and accessible. Incorporating soft close hinges or sliding mechanisms can enhance the functionality and user experience of these pieces, making them easy to use and stylish. Another innovative idea for home organization involves creating a mudroom or entryway storage solution. Wooden hooks, benches, and cubbies can be designed to accommodate coats, shoes, and bags, providing an organized space for coming and going. A bench with built-in storage underneath can offer a convenient place to sit while putting on or taking off shoes, while cubbies can house baskets for smaller items. This approach not only keeps the entryway tidy but also establishes a welcoming atmosphere for guests. The choice of wood finish can further enhance the overall look, with lighter woods creating an airy feel and darker finishes adding warmth and richness. In the bedroom, wooden organization solutions can enhance both functionality and decor. Nightstands with drawers provide a convenient space for storing books, chargers, and personal items, while wooden dressers can offer ample storage for clothing. Customizing these pieces to include features like hidden compartments or integrated charging stations can elevate their practicality. Additionally, incorporating decorative wooden trays on dressers can help keep smaller items organized, creating a visually appealing arrangement. Closets also present a unique opportunity for wooden organization solutions. Custom wooden shelving systems can be designed to fit the dimensions of any closet, maximizing storage potential. Features such as shoe racks, hanging rods, and built-in drawers can help maintain order within the closet space. Utilizing vertical space through stacked shelves or hanging organizers can significantly increase storage capacity, allowing homeowners to make the most of their closets. The choice of wood and finish can add a touch of luxury to the closet experience, making it a pleasure to use. In the home office, wooden organization solutions can contribute to a productive and focused work environment. Custom desks with built-in storage compartments for files, stationery, and office supplies can help keep the workspace clutter-free. Wooden organizers for desks, such as pen holders, file trays, and paper sorters, can be tailored to suit the specific needs of the user. This attention to detail not only enhances the functionality of the office, but also creates an inspiring and aesthetically pleasing atmosphere. Craft areas and hobby spaces can also benefit from the introduction of wooden organization solutions. Crafting activities often involve a variety of supplies that can quickly become disorganized. Custom wooden shelving, pegboards, and storage bins can provide dedicated spaces for materials, tools, and finished projects. For instance, a pegboard can be mounted on the wall, allowing for easy access to tools while keeping the work surface clear. Wooden carts with wheels can also be an excellent solution for mobility, enabling crafters to easily move their supplies from one area to another. The integration of technology into wooden organization solutions is another trend that is gaining popularity. With the rise of smart home devices, incorporating charging stations into wooden furniture can enhance functionality. For example, a wooden side table with built-in USB ports and wireless charging capabilities can provide a modern touch to any room. This fusion of technology and craftsmanship not only meets the needs of contemporary living but also maintains the aesthetic appeal of wooden furniture. As the demand for wooden organization solutions continues to grow, artisans have the opportunity to explore new ideas and innovate within the craft. Collaborating with interior designers, home organizers, and other artisans can lead to exciting projects that push the boundaries of traditional wooden crafts. By staying attuned to emerging trends and consumer preferences, artisans can adapt their designs and techniques to meet the evolving needs of their audience. In conclusion, wooden home organization solutions offer a beautiful and practical way to enhance living spaces while providing effective storage options. Through careful design, craftsmanship, and attention to detail, artisans can create a wide range of solutions that cater to the diverse needs of homeowners. From kitchen organizers and floating shelves to multifunctional furniture and closet systems, the possibilities for wooden organization solutions are virtually limitless. This journey of exploration and creativity not only results in functional items but also contributes to a more organized and aesthetically pleasing home environment. As artisans continue to innovate and refine their techniques, the art of wooden home organization will remain a vital and cherished aspect of craftsmanship, enriching the lives of those who embrace it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.